The object shown is acted upon by two forces, and we can see that in the diagram. The resultant force acts at 60 degrees above the horizontal. Find T and the magnitude of the resultant force. So we have 15 newtons this way, and we have T in this direction. And then we know that this angle is 60 degrees. The resultant force is clearly this one. Now if we look at the triangle, which of course is right-angled here, this is the opposite, adjacent, and then this one over here will be the hypotenuse. So tan of 60 degrees has to be equal to T divided by 15. So T is going to be 15 times tan 60. So 15 times tan 60 gives me 25.98. Let's call that 26 newtons to the nearest integer. Now, when we come to find R, I think that we should use information we were given. Now, in that case, we've got adjacent and hypotenuse, which means cosine. Cosine of 60 degrees is going to be the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Now in this situation, multiply both sides by r, and then divide both sides by cos 60. I happen to know cos 60 is a half, so I don't really need the calculator here. 15 divided by a half is 30 newtons.